Are you sitting at your computer ready to start a project but stopping before day one because you don't know how it will make money? It feels as if you don't have a perfect product to sell from the very beginning. You're just going to waste your time. But the truth is, worrying about the entire monetization process before you create anything is exactly what keeps you from starting. So in this video, I will give you a couple of solutions to help you start and stop worrying about monetization. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Making your first dollar can take time. It can take several weeks or even months. But I will break down how your content can make money when that time finally arrives. By the end, you will understand why there is no need to overthink how your niche can make money before you start. This is a loop it is very easy to fall into. I have been there and so have many other creators. You start thinking ahead and trying to come up with a perfect plan for monetization before you even published your first piece of content. It can keep you in place for eternity and prevent you from getting to work. There are two simple paths we will come to shortly, and you could choose one of them as your direction. I learned this the hard way when I started my blog about golf balls. I wanted to make money, so I placed affiliate links in some articles, almost from the very beginning. The result? Almost no clicks and zero commissions. It wasn't until much later when I stopped worrying about the links and started creating authentic reviews that things began to pick up. That experience taught me that forcing monetization before providing value is the real waste of time. As a solution, you can choose one of two simple paths. Path 1 is to start small. Find one specific problem your viewer has, find a simple solution, and recommend one single product that fixes it. You might have to keep testing and trying longer until you get it right. Path 2 is to ignore monetization completely for now. Focus entirely on creating helpful content. Build trust first, listen to what your audience asks for, and figure out the money later. Either path works perfectly fine. Choosing one today can give you clarity and help you start without feeling so much pressure. Personally, I have gone one path in the past and now I'm going the other way. There is no need for a master sales plan or a whole suite of products to choose your direction. Simply decide if you are testing one simple solution now or you're purely focusing on building trust for later. Knowing this gives you the freedom to finally pick your topic and start creating. Now that you have an idea of how to battle the monetization pressure, the only thing left to do is take action. If you want to start small and focus on solving one specific problem today, you need to know exactly where to begin without overcomplicating it. Watch this video next, where I show you the exact first step to take so you can stop planning and start creating right now. Or not. It's up to you.